Howdy neighbors. Out doing some hiking here on the ranch, just soaking in the beauty of God's creation. A few passing rain showers. I'm under a tin roof right now. I hope you can hear the sound of the rain on that tin roof. There's something that is so calming and peaceful and restful about that sound. It takes me back to my childhood, sleeping under an old tin roof. I hope you guys enjoy this beauty as much as I do. I'm not a selfish guy, so, I had to take a few pictures and share them. It's an amazing time of year. One of my favorite. In the fall, when all the beautiful bright colors are slowly falling to the ground, creating a carpet of leaves. Leaves resting on the surface of the water. You don't get this kind of beauty in the cities. Come see us here at Circle C Ranch sometime. A place where you can still hear the screen door slam and rain on a tin roof. Circle C Ranch is a place where we make memories. Whether it be sitting around a campfire telling stories or going on trail rides with good friends and family. My little cowboys and cowgirls, all grown up. Good friends and good horses. Now it's time to start the next generation out right. It's a surreal feeling riding up out of the canyon, rising up through the fog bank. It's always beautiful here, whether it's wintertime or spring with all the flowers blooming out, or summertime sitting, listening to the creek flowing by, or of course fall. Always beautiful. The Bridge, a place to visit or a place to just relax. We're looking forward to your next visit, but until then, remember this: life becomes far more meaningful when you realize the simple fact that you'll never get this moment twice.